Hi everyone, Jane Galena here, also known as Airplane Jane. And today I want to talk to you about why you should keep going and never give up. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on those notifications so you can receive awesome videos like this. And like the video. Go ahead and let me know that you are liking these new videos that I'm putting out. With everybody's dream, if it's to become a successful trader, if it's changing your 9-to-5 job, if it's a dream that you want to make happen, you have to look at it like this. I ran 4 marathons. The first one I thought, you know what? I don't think I can run a marathon. And I'd been running for 8 years at that point in my life. So, you know how I approached it? And it's the same way to approach your dreams or any big task at hand. Break it down into little tiny increments that you can go ahead and you can create a checklist. First of all, go ahead, write down your dream. Whatever it is. Is it owning a supercar? Is it having a 3-bedroom house? Is it having a job that will have you traveling the world? Go ahead and determine what your dream life looks like. Write it down. Then, what are those steps that you can take to go ahead and make it happen? It is a little bit of the law of attraction type scenario in that you want to go ahead and visualize that dream life for you, but you also need to go ahead and take those steps to make it happen. It's great to go ahead and visualize, oh my goodness, I want this so badly, this is my dream. Everybody deserves to have dreams and everybody deserves to achieve those dreams. Just because of your current scenario, you might say, oh, I can't have this. You know what? Who's saying that? You are. You're saying it in your brain up here, and you're creating that roadblock and that hurdle in which you will not be able to do it. I'm the type of person where I have the mentality, you know what? I'm going to do it. I make steps and do things that make it happen. Why? I'm the person that's doing it. It's not Joe Schmo down the road. It's my dream. It's my goal. So I need to be the one that's going to go ahead and put the work in. Same thing for you. If you have that dream and goal, go ahead and do it. I'm not saying you're going to achieve it overnight. Most people don't have overnight success. Most people don't achieve their dreams overnight. If you want to get into a new profession, guess what? You're going to have to study. If you want to be a new trader, and you want to do it professionally as your day job, please go ahead and look at it as at least a 9-month progression, okay? It's likely not going to happen in 1 week. Yeah, there's videos out there, hey, how I learned how to trade in 1 week. There's a lot of basics that are the same for all different trading instruments. However, you need to go ahead and master yourself. You need to go ahead and master the psychology of it in order to be successful. It's the same thing with any dream. You have to master your psychology in going forward and make that happen for you. If you want it and you want it bad enough, you're going to go ahead and you're going to do the work to make it happen. Day by day, little baby steps. So you want to go ahead and buy a 3-bedroom house. Well, what does that entail? Maybe you talk to a mortgage person. How much do you have to have down to go ahead and make that happen? What does your credit score have to be? Do you have to clean up your credit at that time? I used to do mortgages as well. So look at the beginning steps. Where do you need to come from? Where are you now? What do you need to do to go ahead and make it happen? So you want to buy that 3-bedroom house. All right, what's your credit score? Talk to a mortgage person. What's the minimum requirement to go ahead and put that down? What would a monthly payment look like, right? Maybe your income is not what it should be. Maybe you look for a new job that's going to give you a better income. In this time of COVID, it might be a little difficult, but that's just one example of how you could go ahead and make it happen. Could you go ahead and build your dream house? What would that look like as well? There's so many different ways to make your dreams come true, but you have to search it out at the same time. You have to do that work, and I believe that you can make your dreams happen. If you put in that hard work, you can go ahead and make it happen. It's not necessarily going to be easy, but as an entrepreneur, as an entrepreneurial spirit, I believe that you can do anything you put your mind to. I ran 4 marathons. I didn't think that was possible. Gave birth to 2 girls, 1 C-section, 1 natural. And let me tell you, I did hypno babies For the second one, for pain management, I was watching a video and laughing throughout the contractions. My husband was like, "Are you really having contractions right now?" It was such an enjoyable experience. And life can be that way. Life can be enjoyable if you're open to it and you put forth the work to make your dreams happen. Right now it can be tough. COVID's difficult. Quarantine time is difficult. Use that time to lay the plan for the future that you would like to see. Write down what you want. Go ahead, see what it would take, all right? You want to start a dream business? What do you need? Build a business plan. You want to own your own business? Build that business plan. What do you need? What equipment do you need? What does that cost? Can you get financing for that? Do the groundwork now. You've got the time, right? You're probably still in quarantine, at least we are up here. If you want to change your life, if you want to achieve your dreams, keep going. Never give up until you get there. The only people that fail are those that quit. All right. Again, put the comments down below if there's anything else that you guys would like to see. These are just a couple of the ones that I have had requests for, and I'm happy to give back to you guys. There's nothing better than hearing how I've impacted somebody's life for the better. Whether it's teaching them how to trade, keeping them motivated, keeping them on track with an immigration journey, keeping them on track and getting a supercar. Whatever it is, I'm here for you guys, and I'm happy to help.